Welcome and good morning. Thank you for joining us for Tuesday's Daily Market Review.
The dollar climbed, buoyed by a rise in US bond yields, as solid US economic data suggested the Federal Reserve can afford to be patient in cutting rates while investors positioned for the November 5th presidential election. Gold took a breather after surging to a record high on Monday, as higher US Treasury yields and dollar offset support from growing uncertainties surrounding the US presidential election and the Middle East war. Wall Street lost ground, retreating after a strong rally the previous week, as investors awaited earnings from major companies to gauge whether equities would sustain their recent run to record highs. A jump in Treasury yields added pressure, with the yield on the benchmark 10-year bond rising to a 12-week high. The dollar-yen pair rose 0.7% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1.9% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. According to the RSI, we are in an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1.4% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The US Redbook Index will be released at 12:55 GMT. The US API weekly crude oil stock at 20:30 GMT. The Dutch Consumer Confidence Adjusted at 4:30 GMT. Finland's unemployment rate will be released at 5 GMT. The Belgian Consumer Confidence Index at 9 GMT. The UK's public sector net borrowing at 6 GMT.
Welcome and good morning. Thank you for joining us for this week's Market Outlook.